Hello, thanks for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and excited that you're joining me today for a little sneak peek of our October 2024 Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit. So this month we have just wonderful projects for you. We are featuring the Sophisticated Sled Stamp Set and Die Bundle from Stampin' Up! For all of our projects this month. So each and every month we pick a featured stamp set. Typically it's a bundle, and we design 5 cards and 1 not a card project for you around your bundle so that you get to have a wide variety of projects to be able to create, right? We've done all the hard work for you. We've done all the design work, right? Everything's prepped and put together for you, ready to go. So I pack up, each kit is individually labeled so you know which project it is, and it's all packaged nicely down in a cello bag along with all of your other consumable goodies. Yay. So you'll know exactly what you're getting. So it's all just curated so that you have the best crafting experience you can have. So I have a little sneak peek of this month's projects. Now, this month we are doing gift card holders. So each of the cards can be used as a gift card holder. There's either a pocket or a place to put a gift card, or cash if you prefer, a check, in each of the cards. Now, you don't have to use them that way, but that is what we've done to give you some versatility with each of the projects, right? So we are using a little bit of stamping blends to do a touch of coloring, not a ton, but you could use other mediums as well, right? If you want to use your watercolor pencils or your Stampin' Write markers, or blender pen and ink. There's all kinds of different ways to color, but we have chosen to do some coloring with our Stampin' blends this time. So, all right, here's our first one right here. This one right here, super cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I should show you the insides. Oh, so not many crafting kits that I'm aware of do the insides of the projects as well. We always do the insides because we think the insides are special as well. So that's something different about our kits that you will see. Because they're gift card holders, I almost feel like I should show them to you. Here's a peek. This one's a double pocket. It's got a little insert in it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so next we have a little stained glass window card. Love it, love it, love it. Give you a little peek inside. That's all I'm going to show you. Next, we have our not a card. So this is actually almost two projects for you. So we've got a fantastic little giftable box with a belly band that slides off. And then inside, like, we always include the treat or the giftable that goes inside of the package, right? If we're doing a 3D type package item. And this month we're making a fantastic little ornament. Isn't that stinking cute? So that's going to be a wonderful giftable that you can send out to those at Christmas time or keep for yourself, right? Make many. And then we've got a fun little snowy sled and little pocket in there too. And then last but not least, we've got this one here. And this one has an insert. It's a pocket card, and this little insert will hold a gift card, but it can also be used as a bookmark, which is super fun, right? So it's versatile. So great little gifting type projects for you. So I hope that you will decide to join us. If you're not already a Cultivated Creativity subscriber, I hope that you'll decide to join us for this month's paper crafting kit. Now, supplies are limited, and the kit could sell out. Registration is typically open through till the 20th of the month. But because of inventory situation and the featured Stamp and Die Bundle being an online exclusive, if it sells out before the registration closes, then we may close registration early. So just wanted to let you know, just to keep up with inventory, we want to guarantee that you get your products. All right, perfect. So if you've got any questions for me, let me know. There'll be a link down in the video description that will give you the link over to the page for more information. All right, hope to see you this month. Thanks, and bye for now.